Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and more information on this unit. We will beat or match anyone's pricing on brand new current model year Roadtreks. Give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. For sale today, we have a brand new 2023 Roadtrek Play. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this brand new 2023 Roadtrek Play. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan of this brand new Roadtrek. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. Make sure you're fully comfortable with your new Roadtrek. We will beat or match anyone's pricing on current model year Roadtreks. So beat or match anyone's pricing on brand new Roadtreks. We're going to credit the cost of your economy class flights from anywhere in the lower 48 off of the purchase price of your new Roadtrek. We're going to pick you up at the airport. We're going to get you here. We're going to give you 2 nights of free camping in our campground we're working on here in Sherwood, Ohio. That way we can go through the demos with you there, give you some time to get comfortable with things, and you can always ask us questions, and we're nearby to help you out. Here in the Play series, we have the same quality throughout that Roadtrek is known for. We've got the interlocking subfloor, the CNC machined cabinets. Those are made out of real wood. Got laser cut insulation that's bonded to the vehicle. Got preformed ceiling panels. So the same quality throughout, just a few differences on the Play that make this the entry-level model. We do not have the Firefly system. We've got more of a standard setup up here. We're going to check out here in just a minute. We do not have lithium, so we have 2 200 amp AGM batteries here in the Play series, so 400 amps of AGM power. We have 300 watts of solar on the roof. So no Firefly, no lithium, and no appearance package. So the lowers on the outside are black instead of painted. So not much difference, same quality throughout in the Play series. We got our patio light here, water pump on off. That will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Got 37 gallons of fresh water here on these Roadtreks. That's the largest in any Class B. Got our inverter on off. We have a 3,000 watt sine wave inverter here. So you turn this on and off, that's going to invert the DC coach battery power to AC, so you can run things like the microwave, the air conditioner, or your plugins. Battery disconnect. This is going to disconnect the 400 amp AGM battery bank. That will also disconnect your charging systems, which are your shore power plug-in, your solar panel, or your underhood generator. This is a voltage meter here for our AGM batteries. Got levels tests here for our propane, fresh, black, and gray. Don't always trust these. These are notoriously finicky. Got a switch here for the power awning. We've got a 13-foot power awning. Got these nice magnetic screens. These are heavy-duty screens. We've got a screened portion that you can see through and a privacy curtain, so you can drop either one of those down if you'd like. You can open and close the door with those deployed. They're a very nice design, makes it very easy to use. Got this counter flip out here for extra space. Just to show you the quality of the cabinetry here in these Roadtreks, you can really tell that these are built differently than your run-of-the-mill standard basic type of RV construction. Got a lot of quality materials, quality build. As you can see, you can pull on this thing here. Roadtrek themselves has told us to go ahead and do this to show the quality of these cabinets and everything, how tightly it's finished and put together in here. So we've got AC, DC, and USB charging stations like this throughout the coach. So if you see little stations like that, that's what those are. Got AC power down here by the sliding door. Got a fire extinguisher here. Both of these front seats do swivel. Got a table mount in the front. We've also got a table mount in the rear. The tabletop is stored inside of the rear entry door, and the table leg is inside this closet. We'll check out here in a little bit. We've got the optional forward-facing sofa here on this Play. You can also order this with 2 permanent twins. We've got 3 seat belts here on the optional forward-facing sofa. We got 2 up front, so a total of 5 belts in this unit. Got hard surface flooring, makes it easier to keep clean. Got our propane furnace here. our air conditioner up here. They're both controlled via the thermostat over here on the wall. You can turn the inverter on to run the air conditioner or the microwave. Got a noxious gas detector down here. So we have a wet bath here, got a mirror on the wall, got our shower head. You can pull the curtain around you to help contain the water. Put your goodies there in the little spot on the wall. And you're gonna do everything inside of this room here. And you're going to be able to lock this where it's more open from the inside, so you get more room when you're using that. You get about 20% more room. Got a fantastic fan style exhaust fan here. This runs on DC power, so our coach battery. Use this like an exhaust fan or an attic fan at night. Single basin stainless sink. Got a nice faucet. 2-burner propane cooktop. Got a stainless backsplash. It's gonna make it easier to keep clean when you're actually cooking in here. You can wipe that down. Got our microwave. Nice drawer. Got AC power there. Got some goodies that come with the Roadtrek there. Got our table leg. Got a plug in there that the microwave's plugged into. Got a nice rod there you can hang your jackets. Nice slide out pantry here. Nice big pots and pans drawer below the fridge. These are locked when they're clicked in like that. Got a 12-volt DC Vitrifrigo compressor-driven refrigerator. So this is compressor-driven, different than an absorption refrigerator. It's going to cool down faster, more efficiently. It's running on the DC battery system. So that 400 amp AGM power bank we've got here in the Roadtrek Play. Got the 300 watts of solar on the roof to help charge you up. Got the underhood generator. So go ahead and start your engine up, and you're gonna get more charge in those. Got the back of the tankless water heater. That clear hose there is a winterization kit. We prefer to use the winterization kits on our units, so we went ahead and added those. Got the back of our inverter. Check out the storage overhead. That's our solar controller. Lots of storage over top. Again, we got the CNC molded cabinetry throughout. So tighter tolerances, better finish, just fewer chances for human error when things are done by a machine like that. Got AC power on the left, DC power on the right, coax in the center. Got automotive safety glass throughout on the new Roadtreks. You can pull these for privacy or for screens. It's going to open on this side here. The rear windows do not open. You can drop down the screen if you'd like to have the rear door open, or the privacy curtain. You can use the doors while the screen's deployed. Got the same style automotive safety glass with the sliding blind and screen. Opens there. This one does not open, but you can go ahead and block that off for privacy. Got our TV here. Got some speakers in the rear. We've also got those AC, DC, USB power stations, one on each side. And we've also got one up here. These lights you just click on and off by pushing on them. Power sofa is activated right here, so you run that up and down by pushing that button. So I'm going to drop you some pictures now of what the bed looks like made up in the rear, so you can see that and get some measurements.
The rear twin beds measure 75 inches north-south or front to back and 27 inches east-west or side to side. The king bed measures 75 inches north-south or front to back and 70 inches east-west or side to side. There's additional storage beneath the front sofa seats.
Here we are sitting in the rear of this Roadtrek Play. Why did the banana go to the doctor? It wasn't peeling well. So again, we've got the same quality throughout on the Roadtrek Play series as we do on all of the other Roadtrek series. No lithium on the Roadtrek Play. Got 400 amps of AGM power instead. No Firefly system. Got more of your standard old school switch setup. And no appearance package. So we got cloth cushions instead of the leatherette. And we have the black lowers on the exterior instead of the 34 custom painted components. Roadtrek did not cut corners here on the Play series. Again, we got the same interlocking subfloor, the same CNC molded cabinetry made out of real wood, the same Weiland wiring harnesses with positive latching connections. Got the same preformed ceiling panels. All of the chassis plumbing that runs through, all the plumbing that runs through chassis metal has rubber grommets on it to prevent the metal from wearing through the plumbing lines. Just lots of thought that Roadtrek put into designing these new units, making sure they have good longevity and are going to provide you years of fun. Got a smoke alarm here, storage spot up top. Got this handle here to help you get up and into the coach. Again, both of these front seats do swivel. The TV in the rear is on a swivel mount, so you can swivel it out here to face the front, watch TV from up front if you'd like. So all in all, we got very nice motorhomes here from Roadtrek. Don't sleep on the Play series. This has a lot of great things about it. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Here in the cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. Got controls on the steering wheel. Got a glove compartment up here. More storage here and here. Storage up top for your sunscreen, sunglasses. Got our fuse panel that has our AC breakers and our DC fuses. Got cloth upholstery, vinyl flooring, makes it easier to keep clean. Got 3 cup holders down here. This is a wireless charging station. Got our climate control here, USB and USB-C plugins. Got DC power here as well. This is a 10.1 inch display. It's got Apple, Android, and Alexa car connections, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, all that good stuff's gonna function through here. You also get 2 years of free unlimited roadside assistance from Safe Ride RV when you purchase a new Roadtrek. Alrighty folks, so we're gonna go around the outside of this brand new 2023 Roadtrek Play. This Roadtrek measures 20 feet 9 inches bumper to bumper. These Roadtreks are built on Ram ProMaster 3500 HD RV ready chassis. This is the silver metallic exterior. The Play series does not have the appearance package here that has the additional painted components. So we've got the black lowers, still very sleek looking. Got a 13-foot power awning. You can run the legs directly to the ground as you see here, or you can have them going over to these clevises. I prefer them going directly to the ground so someone can't walk through here and accidentally break those. Got nice bright porch lights. Got a standard step here as opposed to the Thule step you get on the other Roadtreks. So this is our entry-level series here. You can zip up the screen here. You can also use the magnet. You can shut the door with that deployed. It's got a privacy screen as well, so you can put that down if you don't want to see through that. Shut the door there for you. Sliding door is easy to access the inside of the coach. Got a propane tank that's mounted to the unit. The little yellow thing there on the left is a quick connect for propane if you want to hook something up like a grill. Got our low point drain, city water in. Tow package, 3,500 pound towing capacity, 300 pound tongue weight. Got our plugins here for whatever you're towing. Got our coax in and our shore power plug-in. Got a similar style screen here in the rear door. You can fold this down or up here, and you can have this where you can't see through, or you can have it screened like so. Zip that up on the sides. This is very intuitive, high quality. I really like these screens. You can shut this door when you have it deployed. Got our backup camera coming here. Got a table in the rear door. A little bit of storage as well. So we have the same construction on the Play Series, just missing a few of the extra goodies that the rest of the Roadtreks have. But you save a lot of money on these, and we really like the Play Series. We've got the outside showers, nice for kids, pets, going to the beach, keep your mess outside of the RV. Back of the tankless water heater, back of our propane furnace. This also burns propane. So we got a dual drain system here. Roadtrek has designed this dual gravity sewer drain and macerator pump. This is nice, that way you have two different options. If somebody decides G.I. Joe should go for a swim and he gets caught in the macerator pump, you can go ahead and use the gravity feed like you would normally on most of your traditional RVs. To activate the macerator pump, you're gonna push this red switch here. We went ahead and added a chassis disconnect here at Kuhn Truck and RV. This will disconnect the chassis battery. If you're putting the Roadtrek in storage, it's gonna help keep you from coming back to a dead battery. Got a fill for the onboard fresh water tank. That's got 37 gallons of fresh water. Largest freshwater tank in a Class B. Got the fill for your fuel. So we got the Play Series here from Roadtrek. All the quality you know and love from Roadtrek. It's got the same engineering and design throughout. Same quality control testing. Got 300 watts of solar on the roof. Very nice units. This is the entry level into the Roadtrek series. Still gets everything that you know and love with the Roadtreks. You get that great quality, but you save some money. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers.